Hi, welcome back. I'm Kathy, and if you're new to my channel, I do food and product reviews. And today I'm back with another 5 food finds for you. Say that 5 times fast. So just like last time, in the description box below, I will put each item I'm reviewing and the time, just in case you're not interested in all the products. You can just skip ahead to whatever you want to see. All right, so do I start with the hot? I'm going to start with the hot Kettle brand Krinkle cut chips. This is a new flavor, habanero lime. I believe they also have truffle and sea salt. Maybe I'll try that next week. All right. I love this on their bags. Easy open, easy access. Oops, I didn't rip that very well. All right. I do like the Kettle brand chips. Actually, my son's a little bit of a snob for chips, and he prefers Kettle brand over the Lay's Kettle chips. So there it is. Doesn't really smell like anything. I was expecting at least to get a lime flavor. We'll see. Spicy. Spicy. It's a little hot. I do get a slight lime flavor, but I get a lot of heat. I'm not too hot for me. So if you like Kettle chips, wavy Kettle chips, and you like a little heat and a little lime, I think you would like these. Let me sneeze. False alarm. So anyway, too hot for me, but yeah, I think if you like hot, you would probably like them. You know, these might be good like dipped in ranch dressing. It would probably cool the heat off a little bit. I don't know, I like ranch dressing. I like anything with ranch dressing, but. All right, now I think I need to go to sweet. All right, so are you a fan of the whatchamacallit? I used to love these as a kid. Haven't had one in years, but now they are out with the Whozeewhatzit. Yes. So the name, the candy bar, was named by Lisa M. They must have had a contest. So let's see what the difference is. It's very cute. I love the names. I always like to say whatchamacallit. So the whatchamacallit is made with chocolate, peanut flavored crisps, and caramel. So the Whozeewhatzit is chocolate, chocolatey crisps, and a peanut butter candy bar. So they both have peanut butter. I'm gonna try the whatchamacallit first because I haven't had one of these in years. I remember I used to always like them. Let's see. I don't remember them being this hard though. Jeez. Get the crisp caramel, chocolate. Good. All right, now let's go for the Whozeewhatzit. See if this is as hard. Looks the same. Looks the same. On the outside anyway. Goodness. What's big everywhere. So where these are the peanut butter crisp in there, like this crispy cereal, like this is chocolate with no caramel. To me, they are both very good. I guess it depends on if you prefer caramel or peanut butter. Caramel or peanut butter. But I think if I had to pick one of these, I think I would still go with the whatchamacallit. Whozeewhatzit good? Whatchamacallit a little better in my opinion, because I prefer more caramel over the peanut butter flavor. Found these at Walmart. I believe Walgreens is also selling them. All right, up next, Townhouse Dippin' Thins. So I've always found that Townhouse always seem to like crumble a little bit. So I'm curious to see how, you know, how this is for dipping. And it doesn't like leave all your cracker in the dip. So I got black pepper. They also come in ranch. and sea salt, I believe. They're kind of cute shaped, so it's like a little handle. What's it look like? It's like a pear. But there's your little handle. So, or you could go the other way. Oh, they have it. Yeah. So they have it. Dip it this way. So I'm just gonna dip it in some French onion dip. It does hold up nice. I'm like dip, dip, dip. There's a lot of dip. See how thin they are. Where the regular Townhouse is more airy, like a regular cracker. This is like, it kind of reminds me of like a wheat thin, how it's, you know, harder. So that makes it perfect for dipping. Let me try it without the dip, because I'm not getting a lot of pepper flavor. Yeah, I get a little pepper flavor. Pepper flavor. It almost gives it like a little heat, just a tiny bit. But these are good, and they hold up in dipping. So yeah, I think they're pretty good. So if you've tried them, let me know. All right. I don't know what it is with crackers, but new crackers, I guess if one cracker comes out with something, the other cracker company has to come out with something too. So this is the Club Crisp. I don't know if these are for dipping too. These are light, crispy, buttery. These are ranch. Now I'm confused. Maybe this didn't come in ranch. I'm gonna have to look it up and I'll put it on the screen to let you know. But these came in ranch. These are ranch and sea salt, I believe. Light, buttery goodness. Rip that very well. Ooh, I think I got a double. It was connected. Let's see. Alright. They got like a little wave to them. Let's see. A wave. Smells like ranch. These are good. These are, I think I could dip these too. Let's see. I'm dipping in the end I didn't bite on. Just so you know. Okay. But even though it's light, it's still crispy, if that makes sense. And I can still dip with it. Unlike the cracker, it's harder. You would have to like spread on a cracker. But these are light and buttery. They didn't lie. Yeah. I wonder why they're wavy though. It's weird. But they're lighter than these are. Like I said, these are more like the wheat thins, like harder like that. Where these are more like a chip, maybe? Yeah, more like a chip. And last but not least, I've seen these at Walmart. And I finally decided, you know what? I'm gonna get those and I'm gonna try them. It is the Duncan Hines Epic Salted Caramel Brownie Kit. These also come in s'mores. And there's also a Fruity Pebbles cake kit. And then you also have the cookies and cream cookie kit. So if you wanted me to try any of those other ones, please let me know in the comments below. So it's pretty easy to make. Well, you can follow all the directions on the back. So it includes brownie mix, frosting, crust mix, and the candies and the pretzels that go on top. So you just have to add the butter, egg, and water. So I believe like the crust here was like a salted caramel, and then you have the brownie, and then you have the caramel frosting with the candies. I have to say these are probably the most generic M&Ms you could find. And then it has the pretzel. So I made these last night. Right here. So it does say on the box it's enlarged to show texture. So, but this is. So I just made it, you know, an 8x8 pan and then cut them up. So yeah. Stuck to me. All right. But yeah, for me, I think I'd almost like put real M&Ms on it. But these are, but let's try it all together. Just gonna see if the pretzels got soggy at all. Yeah. So I actually tried one of these last night, and I like it better when the pretzel was a little crunchy, but now they're just kind of soft from sitting on the icing. It is good. It's a good brownie. It's a fudgy brownie, but the crust. I'm gonna just try that. The crust is good. It's got a salted caramel flavor, and the icing is good. The icing is the caramel. Obviously, it tastes a little better than the frosting you can just buy in the can. I think it's maybe a step up. If I were to make these again, if I wasn't going to serve them to anyone, I would make them. I would put the frosting on, and then I would just keep the candies and the pretzel in the container, like a separate container. And then as I cut one of the brownies, I would put that on top, just so the pretzels didn't get soggy. But if you were going to serve it that day, I would just go ahead and put it all on there. But you know, that's just me. My 2 cents. I just would prefer a crunchier pretzel. I mean, it's crunchy, but it's not good. Not good. But the brownie itself is good, and the crust and the frosting. So that all works together. I would just, like I said, hold off if you're not going to eat it that day. I almost got the Fruity Pebbles cake mix. I didn't, but like I said, if you want me to try one of the other ones, please let me know, and I will try to make them. So I do like this idea of the kits, how it comes with everything you need. Well, you know, except for the butter and the eggs and the water. But other than that, I do think it's a good idea. Is it epic? Probably not, but it is cute. I do think they're good. So if you've tried any of them, let me know what you think in the comments below, or you want me to try the other ones, let me know. But it is a good brownie. Yeah, so I think, did I like everything today? Except for the little spicy, but the chip itself I think is good. I like the crunch of the kettle, and I like the wavy. I think those are good. So if you've tried any of these, let me know in the comments below. Most of them I found at Walmart. I think the chips I found at Kroger. And actually I think I found these at Publix, but I did see them. I was at Walmart today, and they did have them at Walmart also. So if you've tried any of them, and don't forget the Whozeewhatzit. It's just fun to say. So if you've tried any of these or plan on it, let me know in the comments below. Alright, if you liked the video, hit that thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please think about hitting that red subscribe button and the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Stay safe, and I will see you next time. Bye.